Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your workspace and assets so you can work quickly and accurately. Open Paint 3D, create a new project, and set canvas to 1920x 1080 or your target ratio. Make the background transparent so export is clean. Then import any reference PNG or vector assets and lock that layer to avoid accidental movement. Also choose colors and fonts up front. That reduces revisions later and keeps shapes consistent as you build the logo. Now you build the logo from basic shapes because simple geometry scales best. Use 2D shapes for icons and the 3D tools for subtle depth. Once shapes are placed, merge or group related pieces so you can move them together. Make fine adjustments with select to resize or crop, and apply brushes or effects for subtle texture. Once done, make sure to align every element using rulers and snap to grid so spacing and balance remain consistent. Finish by cleaning up and exporting correctly because delivery matters. Hide any reference layers, then export as PNG with transparency for immediate use. If you need vector, recreate key shapes in a vector app or export high-res PNG and convert. Once exported, test the logo at small sizes like 64px and at larger sizes like 512px to ensure legibility. If edges look rough or artifacts appear, undo recent effects or re-export at higher resolution and downscale to remove jaggedness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.